So I want to start this video off by giving those who sent my P.O. box some very cool items an apology. I went to the P.O. box, I filmed everything, the unboxing, we got some really cool stuff. Come to find out, the SD card ended up getting corrupted. I lost that footage. And it sucks because you guys took the time to send me out some really cool stuff, to make some really cool things, sent me some nice notes, some things for the garage, and all that footage is gone. And that's some of my most favorite things to do, to film, is the Fan Mail Friday. So that's why Friday there was no video. Went to edit, the SD card was completely destroyed, corrupted, couldn't get anything off of it, and go figure, the only thing on the SD card was this footage. So I want to go ahead and just show you some of the really cool things. We have this beautiful, let's go against the wall real quick. Watch that board, Romina, don't be tripping. We have this beautiful hood prop here that was made. Take a look at the detail on this. It's actually 2-layered. So this is all CNC'd and obviously painted. My color scheme, got the Coyote head in gray, black background. Got the grabber blue eyes with the squad in grabber blue, DVP in white. But this is some top-notch quality. And to go with this, we actually have this Coyote head sign. Same ordeal, but you know, we got the 2 little holes here to mount up on the wall somewhere, and stuff's heavy, man. It's beautiful work, beautiful work. And then on to one of my most personal favorites I've ever received as well. Alongside those, we have this custom etched. If you look, this is like all hand carved and painted. You got the DVP in white, obviously painted black, got Bluetooth valve up here, got the DVP license plate. Don't mind the Cobra, that's the only stencil they had, but we also have Lucifer down there, DVP license plate, and a nice solid piece of wood. I'm actually thinking about hanging that.
That looks really good.
Right there. So, what do you guys think? Should we ship it? If so, drop a like up on this video. We also have
license plates.
Some license plates for the license plate wall. Some notes and stuff. Some license plates here. You know, some goofy ones to go on our light. Well, you can't see it, but it's above the garage. I think this one is ordered, but that's funny. A subscriber went and completely customized the little car. As you can see, this is all placed and painted, and it's Lucifer. I don't know if it's focusing in on the camera.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, it's a little hard, but you guys get the idea. Huge shout out goes to you all that sent me out the stuff. I absolutely love it. And DVP Squad, if you're watching right now, drop a like for that awesome talent between all of that. Super dope. And if any of you guys are interested in, sending me stuff out for the garage, make me something custom and you can ship it to my P.O. box. It's right here on the screen. It's also in the very bottom of every YouTube description. P.O. box is right there. So send some cool stuff out. We'll open it on film and hopefully not have any more SD cards take a dump on us. But thank you all so much for that, and let's get going. You ready?
It's a grenade.
Yeah, something like that.
See, this is the days I wish you had heated booty seats.
It's not my fault. Virginia wants to be 80 degrees one day and then 20 degrees the next.
I didn't realize you were filming.
Caught in 4K,
Hello.
baby. It's the perfect way to start a day. We're currently heading to meet up with the gang. Our boy Jake, Italian Silent 410, check him out on YouTube if you haven't already, but he drove in from Maryland last night. So we're gonna go meet up with them. I'm not too sure what's in store for today. I wanna say he's here tonight and then leaves sometime tomorrow. So we're gonna try to take advantage of the time we have. We're gonna see what they're up to and just have a fun day today. Well, just made it to the Mirandas. And you gotta check out this car. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but this is Sager's new to him GT350. And we should all praise him right now because the man got rid of a blue Camaro SS. He did the right thing. He traded it in, copped the 350. This thing is beautiful. I drove it the other day, actually. Got a little crazy in it, but that's what they're built for, man. These things handle, and if I ever come into money like that, I'm gonna buy one and we're gonna track the mess out of it. But Sager did good, so congratulate him, guys. Uh-oh, I see trouble. Oh my God. No shot right now, dude. You are brave.
I came outside to help him move something.
You're brave. If I would have heard my car coming, knowing I was filming, I would have ran so far away.
What's the problem?
I got the ultimate look for you. the Crocs, and a fat mullet.
Give me your hair.
Let's see it. Give us a mullet flip.
It doesn't move, but it's getting there.
Mr. Italian Stallion.
Gang, gang.
How you liking it, bro? Full bolt, or not full bolt on quite yet, but you're on
not
the
100%.
got the lawn tubes and
She's
E85.
close. Oh yeah, let me show you.
Yeah, let's take a look real quick. This engine bay has really been spiced up since the last time I saw it. I love, like, look at this. Italian Stallion 410. I was just
Custom
actually,
made.
yeah, I was showing them some of my custom made stuff, for the fan mail stuff.
Yeah.
And dude, that's sick though. I need to get with your guy. I need one. If there's anybody out there that can custom make me a strut bar that will clear the VMP blower, because they don't have one. There's not a single one out there that clears a VMP blower for the S197s, I believe. So, someone can custom make me one. Definitely DM me or email me. I'm willing to pay, but I want a strut power brace for sure.
Last time you guys saw it, she was bone stock. Now we got a JLT intake. I got the BMR lower motor mounts because a Cobra Jet is getting installed soon. As you guys can see, you got all that gap in the back now. I did previously order 2-inch headers, and they weren't coming in. It was like 15 weeks we were waiting for them. So I was like, change it to inch and 7/8 because they always have them in stock. And the day this car got done, of the headers getting installed, the 2 inches walked right in the door. So I was like, great. Car made 475 to the wheels on E. With the Cobra Jet and throttle body, I want to try to make around like 515.
That's our goal. I think you can definitely hit that.
I think it's doable, and I mean...
And you have the drive shaft.
Yeah, carbon fiber drive shaft's coming too. I'm going to order some axles for it. Brandon was catching some smoke.
Oh yeah?
You know,
Did y'all...
neck, I was pulling away from
Bro,
you.
I didn't-
No
I
shot!
was not pulling away from me.
No shot. Brandon, tell them how it is, bro. Tell us how it went.
We were door to door, motherfucker. You took off, I fucking hit the gas and was reeling you in at the top.
Okay, I didn't have traction control on because my mode...
He tried to race you in front of a cop. I was like, motherfucker.
I kind of want to see those Crocs in action. No joke. Put those bad boys in 4-wheel high real quick.
Gotta hit him with the slap shit.
There we go. Let's see a dig from Minion. Dig. 3. All right, you jumped. Disqualified. You lost.
Stay up in the staging lane.
3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go!
Oh my god.
Slowest run I've ever seen.
Joel, did you see your son hit the dig? He has his little passenger baby on board. I was just sitting here looking, like, we have a hell of a lineup. We got Electra in the garage. We got... Hey, what is this? What do you call this thing?
This is cocaine train.
Cocaine train. Prometheus, Stormy, Minion. What's yours?
Venom.
Venom. Okay. And Lucifer.
Bought a GT350 because I like snakes. And there's a snake symbol on it.
I can't argue with them.
Specifically King Cobras.
Epstein! Epstein Jr., pull in the driveway.
Homeboy switched his shoes. I think that means Ben's getting gapped.
You card horse?
Yeah, dude. It fucking just dangles, bro.
Did you? Mr. Ted pulled up. Dang, this thing's looking really good. Jeez. Adam just pulled up too. Last but not least, we have Sebastian in the mock.
About time you show up.
Whew, that thing looks so good. So now that everyone's here, I think we're just gonna go have a fun little cruise. It's beautiful out. I think today is gonna be the day I do my first ever watt pull with the new twin disc clutch from Vengeance. I don't have the drag pack on the car, and I got into it a little bit the other day in second gear, and it completely blew the tires off. So we're gonna try a third gear rip, go take it 7,500, shift it into fourth, and that's the main test today, to see if those shifts are going to be crisp and no lockout issue, because stock clutch didn't like it so much, but we're going to see what we can do. that's Stuart, and that's his 0304 Terminator Cobra in Sonic Blue. Definitely a dream car of mine. Looks so good.
You just made my heart skip a beat.
What happened? We're gonna grab some gas. Man, this thing is a serious hog now. Like, it used to average like 18 miles a gallon, but with this new tune, this thing's averaging like 11. So yeah, this is literally 3 times a week now. And thanks to those awesome gas prices that we are experiencing in 2021, you know, almost $3.50 a gallon. It's beautiful. Gotta love it. Look how fire that car looks, dude.
Yeah, dude.
God. I'm a little nervous just because I don't have the drag pack on. I don't know if we're gonna have any traction. These tires, they're on their way out too. It's the NTO5s. It's kind of a colder day, but we're gonna try our best just to see if we can get it to hook up and, like I said, rev it out, see how 4th gear feels. No, dude, take it, for real. Hold the shit. Nope. Sideways as fuck.
Yeah, I know. Did your stomach just sink?
My stomach just completely sunk. I can't do it without a radial.
Yeah, we literally went.
I can't do it without a radial. That was almost
My
bad.
heart is beating really fast.
That was almost bad.
Deep breath.
Wow. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, alright. Jesus Christ. Holy hell. My heart is pumping.
This thing's fast.
Dude.
It's fast. We moved, didn't we?
We moved.
We were screaming. I need a tire. Like, obviously I have them. I have the radial at home. I only put these on because, one, I wanted to save the tread during winter, and I was doing some work and stuff to this, so it wasn't really necessary driving the car all over in the winter with the radial. This thing is fast, dude. Like, that, I haven't felt it feel like this in my life. It felt good.
Oh my god. That's exciting.
I short shifted a little bit. I shifted that at like 7K, but Vengeance, huge shout out to you guys. This clutch feels amazing. It went right into gear, just crisp, smooth as butter, man. That felt so good. Love this clutch. From the first rip, I'm sure you guys could tell on camera, I was literally looking at Teddy's door through my front windshield. That really scared me. Caught me off guard, but I should have expected it, especially with these NTO5s. A little cold out again, but the second one, we hit it in third. It was still spinning. It wasn't as bad though. Like, I got to control that one a little more. Like, man, we were moving. I think I'm honestly knocking on heaven's door with it though. Like, that's all I can really say about it. With the new tune and stuff we got on here and fixed everything up, twin disc, I'm excited to get a tire on this. I think people are gonna be shocked just by that feeling. I think people are gonna be shocked. I was spinning the whole time.
Oh, I heard it.
My heart came out of my chest.
I heard it.
And I tried honking it. Your whistling's too fucking loud.
Your shit.
I know. We're gonna have to. Next time we'll go. I'm gonna put the tire on, and we'll bring like people to. You know, we'll go out next time when I put the tire on, and we'll bring people to.
You got out on me, and then like you stayed there. It was like a good car. Car and some.
Dude, that fucker was eating, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I've never
it
felt
sounded
it that
like
fast.
See, I'm not in power bend when you're in power bend.
Yeah,
we hit it at like 50, so I could have been in second.
Who won, Jake?
Jake won. I won.
How'd it go, Sebastian? Feel good?
Yeah, I mean, I expected that.
You got a little. Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, stock versus almost full bolt-on E85. How, was it like a hell of a difference between like stock and modded?
I have the video.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I got a video.